Today we're going to show you how to save and run auditor reports via Report Center in the Cloud Management application for Office 365 and AvePoint Online Services. The first thing I'm going to do is enter into the Cloud Management application, then choose the Report Center module, and then choose the Compliance Reports option. Then I'll choose the Auditor Reports capability here. Now, generating an audit report will allow me to see the activity for certain areas that I choose in Office 365. I can then save and export the information for those reports, and I can maintain that information within the solution over long periods of time. The first thing I'll need to do once I've entered into the audit report option is to choose the area in Office 365 that I wish to generate the audit report for. Then I need to choose the kind of report that I'm going to generate. I can see reports for user activities, the deletion of lists. I can generate a custom report for different kinds of actions that can take place within that scope. I can see who accessed the site itself. I can see the actions around individual items within that scope. And I can also just filter out permissions changes right from the GUI here. If I choose the custom report option, I have many different filters that I can apply to the different kinds of actions that are taken within the scope that I've chosen. I can also filter in users to see. I can also choose to include or exclude users from my audit report, and include or exclude URLs, and filter the level that I want to audit within the scope that I've chosen. Today I'm going to just generate a report for all users and activity that have taken place within this scope for a certain period of time. Once I've chosen the kind of report I want to generate, I can then name my report profile. I'm auditing the records site collection for all activity, so I'm going to type in records all activity. Now, once I've chosen the kind of report I want to generate and the kind of filters that I want to apply, I can then choose a time range by dropping down the options at the bottom of the pane on the left-hand side. I can choose the duration of time that I want to report on. I can choose a schedule to generate that report. Maybe I want to generate that on a regular basis, and I can set it on an interval, and I can even choose to export that report into a location in SharePoint to have a library where those reports are regularly saved and stored, and then control access to them from there. I can also select a notification profile to receive notifications whenever the report has been generated and or exported. Once I'm done and I've saved my report, I can go ahead and run that report to generate the activity report for the area I've selected, and save the profile for running it again or saving those settings for the future. This has been how to run an auditor report via Compliance Reports and Cloud Management for Office 365. Thanks for watching.